Goodbye. Can you turn it around?
Hey. Can you turn it around? You need Mama help.
You can turn it around. Look at you.
Come on.
Yeah, there you go.
Come on.
Here you go. Come on, Graham. Come this way.
This way.
Yeah.
Come on.
All right. Now, can you walk it over here?
Come on.
Can you walk it over here?
A little bit further. Yeah, you got it almost all the way.
Oh. Frustrated because you hit the dresser? There you go. Walk it that way.
Okay, you go over Daddy's toes.
Oh, you ran over my feet. Oh. You can't borrow the car.
Yay!
Yay. You have some smiles for us?